For centuries, two formidable forces have clashed in an endless war. Dragons provided the raw power, while robots contributed strategic precision. Together, they formed a force unlike anything the universe had ever witnessed.
Realistic videos, cinematic videos, explainer videos, travel and landscape videos, product ads, entertaining videos, food-related videos, anime videos, montage videos, animated videos, all in one roof, one superior app. Yes, what you watch were generated by one unique AI video generation software. Not only that, it has more capabilities. That's InVideo, the cutting-edge video generation software. Are you searching for a smart, faster way to create stunning videos for your business, brand, or social media? In 2025, video content is more important than ever, and AI-powered tools like InVideo AI are changing the game for creators at every level. Okay, let's dive in to see what is available for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most exciting AI-powered tools changing the way we create videos in 2025. InVideo AI. Whether you are a beginner, marketer, educator, or content creator, this platform promises to make video creation faster, easier, and more professional. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know, from what InVideo AI is, its key features, how it works, pricing, pros and cons, and tips to get the best results. Plus, I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial so you can see it in action. Let's get started. I'll use one of my blog posts time to time and you can read it for further details later. The link is available in the description below. What is InVideo AI? InVideo AI is a cloud-based video creation platform that uses artificial intelligence to automate the entire video production process. Instead of spending hours editing videos manually, you simply provide a text prompt, script, or even a blog post link, and the AI generates a complete video draft, including visuals, voiceovers, music, and transitions. It's designed for everyone, no technical skills required, and helps businesses, marketers, educators, and creators produce professional quality videos quickly and affordably. Key features of InVideo AI. Let me highlight some of the standout features that make InVideo AI so powerful in 2025. The main key features are AI-powered script-to-video creation, extensive template library, text-to-video conversion, built-in media library, AI voice cloning and voiceovers, multi-language support, user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, mobile editing capabilities, and collaboration tools. Let's have a look at some of these features in action. For that, we will start by creating and login into InVideo account. It's free to start. To get started, first click the link at the top of this video's description below, or click the link in the blog post or the business resources page. There you can sign up for InVideo AI, and once you have clicked on that link, you will be brought to this page. Just go ahead and click on Generate Video Now here. Then you can input your information here on the left hand side. Just go ahead and do that. You can join with Google, join with Apple, or create an account with your email and a password. Let's do that and I'll be with you in a second. Then once you have created your account, you will be brought into this screen here. Here is the InVideo AI interface. Let's explore this a bit. This is a magic box for putting your prompt, script, or the link. In short, this is where you can put your video prompt to start generating your video. But before everything, I would like to suggest you to do 3 main things. Number 1, the latest version. Make sure you have selected the latest version here. It is automatically selected for now. However, there may be beta versions which has not been activated yet from your end. So that can be done as well if you want to try. Number 2, beta pages. Make sure that you are getting access to every single picture within InVideo AI. For that, the way is to turn on your beta pages. How to do that? To do this, navigate to the top right here on the profile and click on settings. Here is the beta pages toggle button. We will go ahead and toggle on beta pages. Now you will have access to every single page within InVideo AI. Also, the latest version of InVideo AI, version 4.0, is available here as a beta version. We can toggle on that as well. Let's toggle on it and see what are the latest pages. It says V 4.0 beta with avatars and more. Number 3, choosing a plan. The third thing is choosing a plan if you are seriously looking for ways to generate videos for a YouTube channel, social media, product ads, licensing the stock footages, etc. Let's see what are the plans. To choose a plan and to see what are the features in different plans, go to the top right here and click on Upgrade. You can see a couple of plans here: Pre, Plus, Max and Generative. You can go ahead and read what are the options by clicking each and every one. When you make your account, you will be operating on the Pre plan. However, it is extremely limited, as you can see. If you are serious about generating videos for your commercial purposes, I would highly recommend upgrading to a plan. This is going to get you the access to existing features like voice cloning, getting unlimited exports, AI generative credits, licensing stock footages, etc. I want to make a note here. Can someone upload and monetize videos with InVideo watermarks on social media in case if you are using pre-plan for now? According to Google AI and InVideo AI, it's a yes. Here is the page mentioning that. However, this is not a recommendation. This is what InVideo AI mentioned in their one of the blog posts. If you want to get a plan, the best option is to get a yearly plan with a discount. Instead, you can switch from yearly to monthly and click on Get Plus, Max or Generative as well. Go ahead and input your payment options here and then click on Subscribe to move on. Then click on Create New to begin generating your video. Okay, I thought to show you the yearly options as well. These are the yearly options with discounts for Generative and Plus plans. Once you secure the plan, you can click Home, then Create AI Video and put the prompt here and then click Generate My Video. Now we will discuss about the features for video creations. I'm going to demonstrate V3O, not the V4O, which is still in the beta stage. I'll create a separate video for that. One single prompt. You can start generating video with a one single prompt. For an example, create a 30-second explainer video talking about various colorful birds. Is a one single prompt. Once generated, then you can customize, edit the video by giving the instructions by using text messages or manually. I'll explain that later. You can type in your prompt manually here or copy paste. Instead of creating the video right away and then customize, you can generate video with a pre-made workflows. Where are those pre-made workflows? Just go below and click on workflows. Now, as you can see, a ton of different options are available to you. You can select hyperrealistic films and explain a video, a short video, a listicle, Disney, Pixar, etc. for examples. So, as you can see, the options are actually limitless with these. Even though I have put a single prompt here and trying to create the video, the workflows are really helpful for when you are just starting out as a beginner, especially to understand the platform and match your requirements. Even if I want to add music genre that I want, I can modify the prompt as create a 30-second explainer video talking about various colorful birds, and the music should be classical and nature inspired. Write in the prompt. As you can see, this is obviously a very short prompt. So, what are the minimum requirements on possibilities when writing the prompt for InVideo AI? If you make a note here, I can actually write up to 32,000 characters here for the prompt. This enables to tell InVideo AI everything about the targeted video project, everything about the platform, the content, environment, the voiceover style, the music, the caption style, etc. In short, you can tell InVideo AI every essential things about the video required. However, in my experience, information overload would confuse AI, so the output gets affected too. So it's better to be very direct with the AI. Script to video automation. How to create a video if you have the full script already? Click Use My Script. Just input your script or prompt and the AI builds your video for you. Let's see that in action. If you don't have a proper script, what you can do? For that, I'm going to use our friend ChatGPT. There are tons of InVideo AI related GPTs are available. Okay, how to find them? Click Explore GPT and type InVideo AI here. So you will get a lot. I selected this one for a trial. I gave this prompt to InVideo AI GPT. Can you improve or enhance this prompt for InVideo AI? Create a 30-second explainer video talking about various colorful birds. ChatGPT created a nice and comprehensive script. I can copy it. Also, ChatGPT asking this question: would you like to adjust the pacing, music, or visuals for a specific audience or platform like Instagram or YouTube Shorts? So that means you can get a great help from ChatGPT to create the script and customize it to the way you want. Even you can do the customizing in InVideo interface itself. You can copy the script what ChatGPT gave you. Then select Use My Script. Paste the script inside this magic box and select whether it is for YouTube, Instagram or TikTok. Also, I can select what to use for background music, language, subtitles, and so many things here. After selecting whatever you want, you can proceed from there. You may remember that we are exploring the features of InVideo AI now before doing examples. We will do some practical examples in a second. The next feature is extensive template library. Over 5,000 customizable templates for YouTube, Instagram, promos and more are available. The interface what I show is from InVideo Studio, which is a different fully customizable version of InVideo. However, these templates are linked with InVideo AI as well according to my observation. Voiceover. Now about the voiceover. If I click to generate a video, the voiceover or the narrator just be a standard AI voice selected by platform, which is a professional one too. We will look at it in detail in a second. AI voice cloning. You can even clone your own voice for personalized narrations. If you click these plugins, here is the AI voice cloning feature. What you have to do is to upload an audio with your voice. The special instructions are: record an audio of your voice of at least 30 seconds mentioning "I give InVideo AI permission to use my voice." Multilanguage support. InVideo AI can create videos in dozens of languages to reach a global audience. The voice you used or your cloned voice can be converted into other languages. You will be surprised how fluent you are in completely strange languages, like Chinese for an example. As it is mentioned, there are 50 plus languages. Here you see the features in the InVideo AI interface. Also, instead you can say translate and dub this video into Chinese. Add captions. How InVideo AI works. Full demonstration. Now we are doing the fun part, the practicals. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to create a video with InVideo AI. We are going to follow 4 main steps. Step 1. Choose your workflow. Select from presets like YouTube Shorts, explainer videos, or start from scratch with a prompt. Step 2. Input your script, prompt or link. Paste your text, blog post, or keywords. Also, you can copy paste the link of a blog post or even a YouTube video link. The AI analyzes it and generates your video draft. First, I will show you the method with a single prompt. The process to follow when starting from scratch with a prompt. Here is my prompt. Create a YouTube short revealing the most terrifying abandoned places on earth, and the music should be eerie and cinematic. Click generate a video. Creating, analyzing, and preparing. Now, InVideo AI is wanted to get clarifications on the generative method, duration, audiences, platform, etc. What is highlighted are the selected by AI. InVideo AI wanted to know whether to use stock media or generative media, which is fully AI generated content. I will select stock media for this video. It is interesting to note this here. High quality stock footage will be used to create this video, and you can still edit the prompt. Let us continue. This may take a while depending on how complex the project is. It may be a couple of minutes or a couple of dozens of minutes. Waiting, analyzing, planning music. The AI is in action. You can make the notifications on if you want by clicking it. Finding voices. Found music and voices. Planning the script. Generating the script, generating video, analyzing scene, synthesizing voice, adding media tracks, adding generative media. Now the scene is ready. Loading preview. You can remove watermark during export. Now, currently you are previewing the video in 480p. You can export it in HD. Step 3. Customize and edit. Preview your video, then use AI commands or manual editing to adjust visuals, text, music, and voiceovers.
I'm sure you've heard the news. The abandoned world is full of mysteries. Here are the top 5 spookiest places. Number 5, Pripyat, Ukraine. A ghost
That's
town
the video
frozen in time
generated.
after Chernobyl.
Wow, wonderful.
Next, we have
You can see
Multilanguage,
that AI has done everything.
a deserted
It gave a
mining
very
camp
short
abandoned
prompt
overnight.
So
At number
AI
3, the
prepared the
eerie
script
Bailiff's
and
Heilstraßen
then
Hostel, Germany.
found stock
Once
footage
healing
to
soldiers,
match
now
the
a
script.
haunted ruin. Coming
It
in second,
selected
creepy
an
East
appropriate
set
voice for the narration
USA.
and added
Home to lingering
captions and
spirits, and finally the
matching
infamous
music as well.
𝐘𝐨𝐤𝐤 Forest,
That
Japan.
means AI
A sea of
edited
trees
and
with a dark
prepared
history.
everything
Ready for a
for
visit?
us. Okay, now if you want to change something in the video, how can you do that? For an example, let's say that you want to change the caption style. That's so easy. You need to use this magic box here. Give your command and AI will do that too. When you click here, the examples pop up. I'm going to give this command. Make 3 words appear on the screen at once and make the active word highlighted in yellow. Let's see what happened. Click on Generate. Here it is. AI has gone back inside the video again and changed the captions. Let's play and see.
Home to lingering spirits, and finally the infamous 𝐘𝐨𝐤𝐤 Forest, Japan. A sea of trees with a dark history. Ready for a visit?
As you can see, AI done the revision in an excellent way. So this magic box feature provides you the channel to work hand in hand with the AI to execute what you want. Also, if you want to change the narrator, you can change that too. You can replace with a female narrator. What you have to give is the command like this. Change the voiceover to female. Change the voiceover and subtitle to Spanish. I'm not going to do that here as I am happy about the narrator selected by AI. Okay, can you do manual edits? Of course, for that you have to click this edit button. Now, media, music, script and settings buttons are opened here. Let's see how you can change some of the media, the clips, I mean the stock footage that has been used. By clicking here, you can see each piece of stock footage that AI selected for this video. Now, you can choose to replace it with 3 types: your own media, a different piece of stock footage, or generative media. Therefore, if you want to change the media that the AI selected for this video, it is very easy. Select the one that you want to change. Click on uploaded media, stock media, or generative media according to your requirements. In this case, let's click on stock media. Now you will have an entire stock footage library to choose from. You can search by giving the keywords too. Let's say I want to replace with this. Click replace. Now it has been changed with the selected one. Then click apply. And now that piece of stock footage has been replaced. If you are not happy about the change you have done, you can reset it too. Finally, click Save Changes button. Change music. If you want to change the music, click Music button. You can replace the AI selected music with your own uploaded music or with a different one from this additional stock music. Change the script. In addition, if you click the script tab at the top, we can alter our video script as well. For that, you need to highlight the word to change and then alter. It is interesting that once you change the wording, the narration also changes automatically. So if you are unhappy with how the AI worded something in your video, you can quickly change it. And finally, let's explore the settings tab. Here you can change some small settings for your video project. You can see the options for volume control as well. If you are happy with the changes you have made so far, you can click Save Changes. Multilanguage. How to dub for different languages. I mentioned before that InVideo AI can create your videos in multi-languages. That means you can easily dub your video into many other 50+ languages. Let us check that. Go to the magic box and type dub this video into Spanish language. Change the voiceover and captions into Spanish. If you have given your voiceover to an InVideo plan, you can listen that you can talk in many other strange languages too. Your voice will be translated into other languages. Click Generate. Now the video has been dubbed into Spanish. Let's preview it.
Aquí están los 5 lugares más escalofriantes. Número 5. Pripyat, Ucrania.
Wow, that sounds great. However, I wanted to keep this video in English. Therefore, I will click undo button here to go back.
I'm sure you've heard the news. The abandoned world is full of mysteries. Here are the top 5 spookiest places.
Step 4. Export and share. Once you have done necessary revisions, edits, changes, alterations, and if you are happy with your video and then you are ready to export, click the download button and then click on download video. You may notice that you have another option here. Let's explore that. Timeline edits. If you want to export your project to a timeline, something similar to CapCut, DaVinci, Filmora, Clipchamp, or a software like Adobe Premiere Pro, you can do that as well. How to do that? Click on the download button and then click on export project to timeline. So now you can see our AI generated video is in a timeline editor. If we expand now, we can see each part of our video as separate layers. You can see our stock footage, voiceover, our music, and our captions here. Even here you can perform refined manual editing if you want. Once completed, go to the left and click your project on history. Configure downloads. Once click download video button, then you can configure your download settings. Based on your plan, you can select the types of watermarks, InVideo AI branding, and the resolution. In the bottom here, you can see how many stocks footage license this export will use. I have done this in a pre-plan for a demo. You can see what is available for your plan. If you want to recall the plans available, just click the remove watermark button and the plans will appear. When you have done your settings, then the next step is to export. Click on continue button. You can share your video or download to your computer by using the buttons below. Wow, a long video. This is a bonus for you for watching this so far. Links from blogs or YouTube videos to generate videos by InVideo AI. Let's say you don't want to mess around with ChatGPT or create scripts, etc. No problem at all. I'm going to show you an easy workaround. This is actually a very powerful method. What you can do is to go to YouTube and type your keywords. Find videos that are doing really well in your niche or in your topic. I mean the videos that are getting a lot of views and trending right now. Here I have typed the keywords based on our topic and found ton of videos. What you have to do is to get the URL link. I'm going to show you how powerful InVideo AI is. Copy the URL of that trending video. Go to InVideo AI. Click the workflows. Scroll down where it says create faceless videos. Find link to video. Click it. Make sure YouTube is selected and then you want to paste your link in right here. And again, on settings, you can use either generated clips or stock media. You can follow the same for a blog post as well. Copy the URL and paste here. So then what you have to follow is the previously discussed procedure from now onwards. Congratulations for your first AI generated video. Now you have generated your first video within InVideo AI. This is actually an incredibly powerful tool that allows anyone to become a video editor. Also, you do not want to use a couple of software or apps to create one video. InVideo AI does all for you. You don't have to depend on technical skills or hands-on experience using the software for editing. AI does everything for you. If you have any questions about InVideo AI or InVideo Studio, leave a comment. I will try my best to answer them. Try InVideo AI today. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching this long video tutorial. I hope you found this information helpful. Read the blog post for more insights. I have put the link below in the description. I'm Jay and sharing the essential for you to build your own digital economy. I'll see you in the next video.